What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be ceramic coating my calipers. I've been waiting for this ones for quite a bit, but finally did here. And I got a custom color, so as you can see, just to show you, we have the unwrapping, I guess, and it is a really cool purple color. So I decided to go. If you follow me on my IG, you know I asked what color they think it would look better, so I ended up going with a purple color, which I really like how it came out. So check it out. So without any further ado, let's jump in it. So today we're going to be using the same kit that I use for my wheels. So if you saw my, I'm going to post down below the actual video for the wheels, how to ceramic coat your wheels. So if you saw that video, this one will be with the same product, and I'm going to be doing it to the calipers this time. So I had really perfect results. Every time I wash the car, the water just beads out from the wheels, which is great. So can't wait. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we have to prep this surface. So I'm going to use some alcohol, and I'm going to wipe the calipers well with it. So there's any, I mean, I know I just powder coated them, but I want to make sure that it's clean, so that way there's nothing like particles of anything in it. So let's just go ahead and do that. Make sure you get in there in the nitty-gritty places where you want powder coat, ceramic coat, so that way the dust doesn't settle there, because remember, big brake kit means a lot more dust. Put a couple dabs of liquid and close the bottle. Do not leave it open. There you go. Make sure you have a microfiber rag ready for whenever it's starting to give you that rainbow look, so you can start wiping it down. So we're gonna start with that. It's pretty hot here. It's like 90 degrees almost, and it's humid. So this should be like literally a matter of almost less than a minute. So I'm gonna start paying attention. I start to see a little bit of rainbowish on the paint, which means it's starting to dry out. So you wanna clean the excess. So I'm gonna let it sit a few more seconds till I start seeing everywhere. Then I'm gonna wipe the excess. I can already see here. I hope you guys can see. If not, you can go by what I tell you. There's like a rainbow looking film, and then that's how you know it's starting to dry out. Like this side also is ready. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping the excess. This time around, I'm also going to be doing 2 rounds of it. That way it can hold better. So, getting ready for it. sure you get in there in the little places where the curves and contours and like right next to the bolts, so that way there's plenty of it everywhere. And what I mean by it, I mean like the ceramic coat. And that's how you ceramic coat a set of calipers. This is caliper number 1. I'm gonna move on to the second one. Then I'm gonna wait about 1 hour. Some people say half an hour to an hour. I'm gonna wait 1 hour and I'm gonna do the second coat on both of them. So I'm gonna fast forward through this video. So I hope you like it. If there's any questions, I'm just, this is the second time I do ceramic coating, but I'm getting familiar with it. So if you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments below. I'm gonna put whatever supplies I use and the kit that I use. That is the second time, and it has hold on pretty well. And if you have any more questions, please post them. I'll be glad to answer. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that. Thank you. Till the next one. That is the rainbow that I was film that I was telling you about. So as soon as you see that, that's when you know you're ready. Hope that explained the actual look. So that's how you know when you need to start to take the excess